Congratulations to everyone at Financial Rescue LLC for being named 3 of the top 10 debt settlement companies in the country, according to 10bestdebt.com. Ay nako, Rod, ang galing-galing niyo talaga. Forever and ever, amen.
Salamat, Mishi.
Okay, just saying. Okay, on to the program. Studies have shown that as many as 21% of Americans have found an error in their credit report from at least one of the 3 biggest credit bureaus. And while everyone highly recommends to get these fixed, everyone knows that it can be such a big pain. Fortunately, with the help of the Office of the New York State Attorney General Eric Schneiderman, a settlement has been reached with these credit bureaus that will actually make things easier for all U.S. consumers. So to discuss what the changes are and how we can benefit from them is Rod Mercado, President and CEO of Financial Rescue LLC. Hello, Rod.
Hello, Mishi. Pero bago natin pag-usapan yan, himayin natin ng konti yung survey. No?
Okay, yung ibig sabihin ng errors.
Yung errors.
Diba?
Actually, ang sinasabi dito, about 5.2% nung sinurvey na yon ay may lumabas na material yung errors.
Material? Ibig sabihin ng material?
Ibig sabihin, kung yung mga errors na yon ay na-correct, ang laki ng impact dun sa credit score.
Wow. Okay.
Dahil material yung error, ang nangyari, bumagsak ng gusto yung credit scores nila na nag-cost ng malaking pera para sa mga kliyente. Diba?
So yung material errors have big implications on your credit score.
Exactly. So, alam naman natin dito sa Amerika, credit score ang pinag-uusapan palagi. So, kung mababang credit score mo, it will cost you more. How? In terms of interest rate.
In terms of interest rate or getting refused.
Or yes, sometimes hindi ka makakuha. Mag-aaral ka, hindi ka makapag-aral. Kukuha ka ng bahay, hindi ka makakuha ng bahay.
So, importante itong law na to that they have passed kasi it really makes it easier for people who have these material errors to correct them. Kasi dati ang hirap talaga, di ba?
Hindi naman to batas. Ito na yung napag-usapan ni Schneiderman na kasama yung mga 3 big CRAs na
Experian, Equifax,
exactly.
And TransUnion.
Ito yung mga improvements na i-implement ng CRAs na yan.
Okay.
Isa na doon, sinasabi na kailangan baguhin yung kanilang pagre-resolve ng mga problema. No? Sa pamamagitan ng pag-hire ng mga trained na tao.
Okay.
Ang problema kasi before, magkaroon ka ng dispute, ang gagawin ng bureau, tatanungin ang creditor. Kung ano sabihin ng creditor, yun na yun.
So it's not even your word against the creditor. Wala ka sa usapan na
wala ka sa usapan, walang value yung sinasabi mo.
Wow.
Kahit na-insist mo. Ngayon, magbabago na yan. Nasa side na ngayon ng mga debtors ang 3 CRAs na to.
Okay.
Dahil kahit anong sabihin ng creditors, mag-i-investigate pa rin sila.
Okay.
Di ba maganda yun?
So may benefit of the doubt ka and you have a say now.
Exactly.
Okay. And then the second provision naman, it talks about credit reporting agencies will have to wait 6 months before updating information on medical bills. Bakit importante to?
Kasi kadalasan hindi kasalanan ng pasyente.
Na hindi ka nagbabayad ng medical bill.
Oo, kadalasan yung insurance na nadidelay sa payments. At usually yun, nangyayari yun within 6 months. So, pinaghihintay sila ng 6 months bago nila sabihin na hindi ka talaga nagbayad. Now, eto pang maganda doon. Assuming talagang na-late ka, umabot na ng after 6 months, pero nagbayad ka eventually, tatanggalin pa rin yung negative remark na yon sa credit report mo.
Wow. Eh, di ba dati yung negative remarks na yon 7 years matitira dyan?
Nag-i-stay yun doon, na matagal, di ba? Ngayon, tatanggalin nila kaagad yun.
Okay.
Diba, good news
so,
yun,
very flexible na yung sistema.
Yes.
And then the third, which I really like, is the change in the scoring model ng FICO. So, ibig sabihin, even the way that they give you your credit score is different now. So, can you explain that a little more?
Okay. Kasi dati, kapag yung mga medical bills ka o kaya mga utang ka in collection, eh ginawa mo through settlement, whether through a company na debt settlement or sarili mo, merong impact yon, negative remarks yan sa record mo. Hindi na yan ngayon.
Kung kaya, di ba dati nga pinag-usapan natin na some of your clients opt not to even settle their debt kasi ayaw nilang mabawasan yung credit score nila.
Oo, natatakot sila. Pero ngayon, mababago na ang kanilang mindset. Kasi ngayon, hindi na sila masyado magiging concerned doon dahil alam nila, easily, pwede na sila maka-bounce back. Diba? Dahil ang focus ngayon is not really more on paano mo ba patataas yung credit score mo, kundi paano ka ngayon makapagbabayad ng utang para yung obligation mo talaga ay ma-fulfill mo.
So, laking ginhawa talaga to for all of us consumers as well as for the people who help us settle our debts, no?
Exactly, yes.
So, Rod, kung may mga tanong pa yung mga ka-nation natin, saan po kayo mahahanap?
Sa mga ka-nation natin, tumawag po kayo sa 1-877-973-3287 or visitahin naming website, financialrescuellc.com. Like us on Facebook too.
That's right. Okay, well, it's always nice to have you here sharing good news with us, Rod.
Salamat
Double
din,
good news for your company and
Oo
also
nga.
for us as consumers.
Salamat
Thanks
sa
for
mga
having us.
consumers natin.